Hello guys, review Infinix Smart 8, this version 4GB memory and 64GB storage, 90Hz display with magic ring. Okay, open box, look completion, we have device and adapter for charging, protected back cover, cable and key for SIM slot. Slot we have for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay, double camera on the back side, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack, power button and power button with fingerprint scanner and wall buttons. Look, magic ring, this like Magic Island in iOS. Works only for Face ID. Okay. Open settings. We have Android 13 and XOS 13. Close this. Look, Geekbench 6. Single core score and multi-core score results. We have CPU Unisoc T606 and GPU Mali G57. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results, very good for device with this price. Device price about $100. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, close. And look, camera. Double camera. And now that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.